that guy is straight enough for my liking. It's a little bright for the camera, but a square, like me. All right, that is clean enough to my liking for now. Nice square. No, I know old Roy wouldn't like how much fun I'm having. I love you, dude. All right, yet again, square. Letting it cool down just a little bit. Get a better look at it. Actually, pretty even. I'll do more cleanup as it goes. But now, time to punch a hole. Now, as you can see, it's starting to get a little dark. I don't have a spotlight big enough to be able to illuminate how I like. Eventually I will, because I want to keep this one going. But, I'm going to go ahead, just real quick. I got the center. This piece is 6 1/4. Half of that's 3.125. Yeah. Go ahead and mark that off real quick. Call it a night. I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, I got that marked real quick. Looks pretty good. Chipping hammer, yes. My brother-in-law. Got the hole started a little bit. Just gonna punch through that. Not too difficult. Keep it going and then see what we get from there. If I can finish it today, that'd be great. If not, oh, look at that. It came out already. That was quick as shit. Oh. Now, this is a novice channel for the novice and beginner. If you've never done any punching yet, plugs aren't very big, depending on the size of your punch. That was the plug for that guy. It's definitely a lot less material taken out than opposed to, say, drilling or drilling. Yeah. Now, as I just said, many different sizes of punches. This is the guy I was telling you about, made out of a jackhammer chisel bit. This one, a lot of people don't recommend it, but I use it as a punch and a drift. It's long, it's S7, so it's very good in high heat. It's been holding up for 2 years. I do minor touch-ups on it. Use this guy for this project we're doing. Small little round punch. There's a nice square punch. These are all made out of coil spring. Go to your local scrapyard, give them a call before you go, see if they will trade or if you can purchase. A lot cheaper than doing any sort of buying of a coil spring. Here's a large one I made. That one was made from the leftover piece of the jackhammer bit. And if you're just wanting to get started like I was in the very beginning, go buy yourself a set of punches. Harbor Freight, they got them cheap. Walmart, Menards, Ace. This is the one I'm going to be using because it's not much larger than the center or the small round punch I have to get the shape I want, the size. Right about there. One more punch session. That should be good with that. Now I'm going to go through. There's a little bit of scale on the inside. I don't know if the camera can get it. Yeah, right there. Not really scale, it's just left over from the original punch. Just take a round file, brush it in there real quick. Alright, we're working on the chisel end. Got a few hammer blows started. Just the beginning. Alright. That side's pretty well forged. Go through, do a little bit of more cleaning up on it. And as I was thinking, I'm not sure. My grandfather just told me that back in the day, a lot of chipping hammers had wood handles. Not a bad idea. It's easier to replace. And then I also thought, one of my first handled chisels that I used, I took a chipping hammer and broke it. And then did a wraparound. That's a really ugly wraparound. But that was my first few months of smithing. I know I could do a better one now. I haven't decided quite yet how I'm going to handle it. Basically with that end, go through, round it off. Get that started. Then basically a center punch. Nice octagon, and we'll 16th it, round it. I'm going to get the big portion of it rounded. Then I'll taper that out. It'll go square again, essentially, just on the end. Put the center punch piece, re-round it, and then the last of it will be done on the grinder. Kind of like my first center punch. Not too shabby. Seen in some comments of other smiths, people talking about various wire brushes and stuff. This guy's pretty beat up. Gets the job done. I got these at Harbor Freight. I think they were $1 a piece. Got 2 of them. Put 1 screw through it, and then tape. Holds it together, get double the width. It works. Gets the majority of the scale off. I could use something stronger eventually. I'll get a big block brush. But it works. The only reason you use the wire brush for beginners or novices that don't know, get the scale, the extra scale off, and it's better to use a wire wheel. But if you want that bluing effect in the steel, where it gets that kind of blue tone, you scrape that while it's hot. And go at it. And as I said, it's better if you use a wire wheel. One of those cup wheels you can get attached to it. You can use it for an angle grinder or a drill. I've seen the specific ones on one of them other sander attachments or hand sander attachments. It's a nice effect, different type of finish. That'll be eventually a video in the future for easy, cheap finish hacks. Yeah, pretty basic. Hello. Got a lot of crap out here in the sanding room. One side is just a tad off. Alright. That's pretty well to my liking. Alright. We're gonna harden it real quick. Alright, now the last side. Hardening in oil. You can harden in water, but sometimes stuff will get too brittle. It'll snap on ya. Now I do, when it's done, take it over to the water to help cool it off. But only that little area. Now what I did earlier, like I said, you take your file, run it across. Very nice. Now, this should still be hot enough. Yep. I have some linseed. Alright. Nice and cool. Probably gonna go back. I'm gonna take a wire brush to it and then do a different finish. I might just soak it. Might go back and do a beeswax, reharden, and then use beeswax. I'm not sure yet. It's not too bad. Like I said, I want to take a wire wheel to it. But it's hard. I already took the file to it. I'm not going to film this, but I'm going to go back with the grinder, shine up just the edge of the chisel and the point, or the center punch-ish end. And then we'll put a handle on it. Alright, it is complete. It's not the best at grinding, but I do have, yeah, There's the eye. Went ahead and made the wedge for it myself. Just a little piece of scrap. Yeah. Fit in pretty well. The only thing really left to do is I'll throw some linseed oil on the handle. That way it keeps it nice, looking good. Yeah, I didn't want to film that because I want to hurry up and get this uploaded because I've been promising you guys that it will get up. I'm going to keep working on the editing software so my videos keep pumping out faster and faster. I'd like to get to like 2 videos a week at one point, plus the shorts. Yeah. I might do some minor touch-ups before I give it to him, but this will be the Christmas gift from my brother-in-law. Like I said, it looks a lot better than the store-bought one he has. Like I said, my grandfather said they used to do wood-handled ones, so I thought, why not? Give it a personal touch. The handle I did not make. That was off of that cheapo tack hammer. It was like perfect size, so I thought, use it. Went there, like I said, cut it, wedged it. I might throw some epoxy in there just to give it an extra, but it's seated it. The whole works. All right. Hopefully you guys make it to the end of this. Yeah, that's about it. Get this uploaded and yeah, have a great day.